Hello guys, I wanna inform you how to use user-generated content on Instagram, and we're starting right now. Welcome to another video. My name is Davidson. If this is your first time on this channel, and you want to learn how to grow on Instagram and other social media related stuffs, start right now by clicking the red subscribe button and notification bell so that you will not miss anything. User-generated content (UGC) is a killer asset for brands and businesses looking to grow online. UGC is an affordable way to share high-quality content that generates sales for your brand. It's the social media equivalent of a word-of-mouth recommendation. UGC isn't the newest trend, but it's one that's growing massively on Instagram. And Instagram is making it tons easier for brands to jump on board. Thanks to the repost to Instagram Stories feature, and tagging profiles in posts and stories, brands can now curate their feed with content created by their biggest fans. Here are some of the most popular ways to use UGC in your Instagram feed. Number 1. A curated feed of only UGC, aka Instagram feature accounts. This type of feed is also popular with online publishers, like @Beautiful Hotels, who've dedicated their entire feed to UGC imagery of the best hotels in the world. Some brands, usually commerce brands, like to use a combination of their product shots alongside UGC that is centered around their products. But right now it's important to note that if you plan to rely heavily on UGC to curate your feed with images of your products, or build up a theme or concept like I have a testing with floors, you need to be strategically thinking about collecting your content with a branded hashtag. Number 2. Integrating UGC images and videos regularly into your feed. Most brands like to follow a seemingly sporadic method of reposting UGC to their feed. But don't be fooled, even their UGC posts are planned in advance. By planning ahead, you can ensure your UGC is always high quality and well aligned with your brand aesthetic. One way to collect on brand UGC is to work with influencers and brand ambassadors. This is a great way to secure UGC for your feed that's guaranteed to be high quality. Another alternative, if you just want to use sprinklings of UGC throughout your feed, is to hunt down creative content that matches your brand aesthetic from your followers and the wider community. This can be time-consuming, but thankfully we'll be walking you through the simple steps to finding all the best content out there that matches your brand aesthetic. Number 3. Reposting UGC in Instagram Stories. Thanks to the new Share to Instagram Stories button on every feed post, it's easier than ever to repost content to your stories. But an effective UGC strategy should cover reposts to Instagram Stories too. You need to start thinking about how and why you want to share UGC to Instagram Stories before you hit that button. For example, @Glossier, a real brand hero when it comes to using UGC on Instagram, shares UGC product reviews to their Instagram Stories each time they release or promote a new product line. Whether you're planning to create an Instagram feed wholly dedicated to UGC, or you want to find ways to strategically integrate UGC amongst your posts, the most important thing is how you curate this content. Remember, your Instagram aesthetic doesn't have to be compromised by your UGC. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to learn how to grow on Instagram and other social media related stuff, start right now by clicking the red subscribe button and notification bell so that you will not miss anything.